Good morning, dear children. Are you fine now? Okay, good. I warmly welcome you all in our online class. Yes, in last class we studied about skip counting. Do you remember skip counting? Okay, skip counting in number line. Okay. Yes, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 4. 2 repeatedly added 4 times. We read it 4 2s are 8. Okay. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Can you remember? Yes. Okay. Next, we are going to our next chapter, chapter number 4. Fourth chapter named shapes. Okay? Shapes. Spell S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Shall we know about shapes? Good. Yes. How many kinds of shapes? How many kinds do you know? Listen. Square. 1. Square. Yes. Square. Do you know? Listen, square. This is a square. Okay. Can you see? Yes, this is a square. Next shape, rectangle. Rectangle. Listen, this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Okay. Next, third one. Triangle. Triangle. Okay. This is a triangle. Look here. This is a, yes, triangle. Next, fourth one, circle. Circle. Look here, this is a circle. This is a circle. These are basic shapes. These are basic shapes. Listen, square, rectangle, triangle and circle. These are basic shapes. Listen, square, spelling S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Okay. Next, rectangle, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Okay. Next, third one, triangle, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Next, circle, C-I-R, yes, C-L-E, circle. These are basic shapes. These are basic shapes. All of you listen. First one, square. All of you listen here. Listen. This is a square. Okay. This is a square. A square has four sides. Four sides. First side, second side, third side, fourth side. Listen carefully. A square has four sides. A square has four sides. Four sides are equal in length. Okay? Four sides are equal. Next, a square has four corners. Four corners. This is a corner. One corner. Second corner. Third corner. Next, fourth corner. Listen. Fourth corner. This is a square. Listen, this is a square. A square has four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four sides and four corners. Four corners. One corner, second, third, fourth. Four corners. Okay. A square has, listen, this is a simple chapter. All of you listen. A square has four sides and four corners. Four sides and four corners. These sides are equal in length. Okay. Next, all of you draw a square in your notebook and write the corner and sides and label the sides and corners. Okay. Next, listen. Second one, triangle. Second one, rectangle. Second one, rectangle. Listen. Rectangle. Listen. This is a rectangle. Okay. A rectangle has how many sides? A rectangle has 1, 2, 3 and 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. Four sides. Four sides. Okay. Next, corner. A rectangle has 4 corners. 1, 2, yes. Next, 4. Okay. Fourth corner. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay. The opposite sides are equal in length. Okay. The opposite sides are equal in length. This is one opposite side and this second. Okay. Listen. Next, all of you draw a rectangle in your notebook. Okay. Next, triangle. Third one, triangle. Triangle. Listen. This is a triangle. How many sides are there? How many sides in a triangle? Yes, good. 3 sides. Listen. 3 sides in a triangle. How many corners are there? Corners. Yes. Yes, 3 sides and 3 corners in a triangle. Okay, 3 corners and 3 sides in a triangle. Okay, next one. Next, fourth shape. Fourth shape, circle. Fourth, circle. Okay. This is a circle. Okay. This is a circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. No sides and no corners. Okay. All of you draw a square, rectangle, triangle and a circle in your notebook and label the side. Okay. Listen. Listen once more. Square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Next, rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Next, third one. Yes, okay. Next, triangle. A triangle has, yes, a triangle has, yes, 3 sides and 3 corners. And last one, circle. Circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. Okay. A square, rectangle, triangle and circle. These are the basic shapes. These are the basic shapes. Okay. All of you take your textbook, page number 60. 60. Yes. Exercise number 1. Exercise number 1. There are some pictures. Look at here. In your textbook, page number 60. There are some pictures. Okay. Some shapes. Okay. Color all. Color all. Red and color all circles red. All circles red and all triangle blue. All of you color it. Okay. All of you color it. Next, B, color all square green and all rectangle pink. All of you color. Yes. Next, listen, complete the shapes. Complete the shapes and match. All of you listen. Listen. 1. Next. Third. Listen. Next. Next. Fourth. Listen. All of you listen. Complete the shapes and match. Listen. All of you listen. Okay. All of you complete the shapes. Complete the shape. Okay. 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 Next. Yes. And you match these pictures. Okay, or these shapes. Yes. Okay. All of you draw these pictures in your notebook and draw these shapes in your notebook and match. Okay. Complete the shapes and match. Okay. Next. D. Listen. In page number 61, trace the circle, color the big circle red and small circle green. Which one is big? This. And small? This. Okay. Color circle, big circle red and the small circle green. Okay. Next. Trace the square, color the big square pink and the small square yellow. Small square yellow. Yes. Next page. All of you listen. Page number 62. Page number 62. Trace the triangle. Trace the triangle. This is a picture of triangle. Trace this triangle. Color the big triangle orange and the small triangle purple in color. Yes. Okay, you color it and trace. Yes. Next, trace the triangle and color the big triangle green and the small triangle pink. Big triangle green and the small triangle in pink color. Okay. Next, trace the outline of the object. Trace the outline of the object. What shapes are they? What shapes are they? Okay. What shapes are they? Write S for square. Write S for square, C for circle, T for triangle and R for rectangle. All of you complete this work. Okay. Next, all of you open the textbook page number 63. 63. Count the number of square, rectangle, circle, triangle in each figure. Color the pictures. Listen. Next. Next, all of you listen. Count the number of square, circle, rectangle, and triangle, and triangle in each figure, in each figure. Okay, in each figure. Color the picture. Color the picture. All of you write it in your notebook. Count the number of square, circle, rectangle and triangle in each figure. Color the picture. Okay, all of you write in your notebook. Listen here. Listen. All of you listen. All of you listen here. All of you listen here. Listen. You draw this picture in your notebook. Draw this picture in your notebook. And color the picture. Color the picture. Count the numbers of square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Okay, count the number and write here. Square, rectangle, circle and triangle. Okay, yes. All of you listen. Next object. Listen. Next picture. Next. Listen. Next. Okay, listen. 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 This picture. Write the numbers of circle, yes, triangle, rectangle and square. Okay, square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Okay, next. Listen once more. The basic shapes are The basic shapes are square, square, rectangle, next triangle, yes, fourth one circle. Listen, the basic shapes are square, rectangle, triangle and yes, and circle. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. How many sides are in a square? How many sides are in a square? 4 sides. How many corners are in a square? How many corners? 4 corners. Good. Next, rectangle. Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay. How many sides are in a rectangle? 4 sides. How many corners? How many corners? 4 corners are in a rectangle. Next, third one, triangle. Third one, triangle. How many sides in a triangle? How many sides? Yes, 3 sides in a triangle and 3 corners. And 3 corners. Okay. Next, circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. No sides and no corners. Okay. All of you draw a square, rectangle, triangle and circle in your notebook. Square, rectangle, triangle and circle in your notebook. What is the difference between square and rectangle? Square and rectangle. Listen, what is the difference between a square and rectangle? Listen. This is a square. This is a rectangle. Okay, this is a square and this is a rectangle. Okay. Okay. What is the difference between square and rectangle? Listen. A square has 4 sides and yes, triangle has 4 sides. A square sides are equal in length. Equal in length. Okay. Equal in length. Okay. Next, a triangle or a rectangle. Listen. A rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. The opposite sides are equal in length. These opposite sides are one opposite side and this second opposite side. These opposite sides are equal in length. Okay. Listen. A square has 4 sides and the 4 sides are equal in length. A rectangle has 4 sides. The opposite sides are equal in length. You should finish your works. This is the time for bind up our class. Thank you everyone to watching my online class. Okay. Thank you.